Aplos is a popular church management software, but before you buy, there are 12 important things you need to know to make sure it fits your needs. Stick around until the end, as we'll compare it to some other top options and help you decide if it's really the best choice for your church. First, Aplos offers a user-friendly interface that's great for churches of all sizes. It simplifies things like event management, donations, and accounting, which can be a lifesaver compared to competitors like Breeze or Planning Center. But while it's easy to use, it doesn't have as many customizations as some alternatives, so if you need a highly customizable system, you might want to look elsewhere. Next, Aplos provides strong accounting features. If you're looking for a solution that includes built-in accounting, this is a standout. It integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks and is designed to handle both church and nonprofit-specific needs, which sets it apart from options like ChurchTrack. However, it may not be ideal if you're looking for advanced accounting features used by larger organizations or businesses. The third thing to note is that Aplos offers donation management tools, allowing you to track giving, create giving campaigns, and generate tax receipts. While it's great for churches looking to boost their fundraising, it might not be as sophisticated as solutions like Tithe.li or PushPay, which focus more on mobile giving and text-to-give features. The fourth thing to mention is its membership management system. You can easily manage congregant information, track attendance, and even send email communications. However, compared to other systems like Fellowship One, Aplos doesn't have as many in-depth features for tracking small group participation or managing volunteers. Next, Aplos offers a mobile app that gives your members access to giving, events, and even a directory. It's a handy tool, but it doesn't have the same level of functionality as some of the more advanced apps from other competitors, like Planning Center, which allows for deeper integration into church operations. Another thing to consider is the pricing. Aplos offers a free trial, which is great for testing it out, but it can be more expensive than some alternatives if you need all the features. For example, Breeze offers a lower monthly rate and doesn't require an annual contract, making it more cost-effective for smaller churches. The seventh thing to keep in mind is that Aplos integrates with a variety of third-party apps, like MailChimp and Stripe, making it versatile for different needs. However, it doesn't offer as many integrations as competitors like Church Community Builder, which can be a drawback if you rely heavily on other tools. Next, Aplos provides excellent customer support, with a responsive team ready to assist via phone, email, or chat. While this is a huge plus, competitors like Rock RMS have a larger community of users and forums, which can offer peer-to-peer support and insights from fellow church leaders. The ninth thing is its reporting tools. Aplos offers a wide range of reports, including financial and attendance reports, which are easy to generate. However, if you're looking for more granular or customizable reporting options, you might find alternatives like Church Teams more advanced. The 10th thing is the software's security features. Aplos takes data protection seriously, offering encryption and secure cloud storage, but it doesn't have as many industry-specific certifications as some larger players like ACS Technologies. Another important point is the learning curve. Aplos is designed to be intuitive, but it may take some time to fully master all its features. If you're comparing it to tools like Planning Center, which has a more seamless user experience, you might find Aplos a bit more challenging to navigate in the beginning. The 12th and final thing to know is that Aplos is designed for small to mid-sized churches. While it's a solid solution for churches with basic needs, it might not be the best option for large multi-campus churches with complex needs. For larger organizations, something like Church Community Builder might be a better fit. Overall, Aplos is a great option for churches that need a simple, all-in-one management tool with solid accounting and donation features. However, if you're looking for more customization, advanced features, or a better price point, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.